Hi, let me show you how to soft reset your Google Pixel 9a. For that, we have two ways. We can either press and hold power and volume up buttons at the same time till the screen will turn off. Or the next way is to hold just power button itself if you set it to trigger power off menu but not Gemini Assistant. If your power button is for Gemini Assistant, then use first way and hold power with volume up buttons. So from here, don't tap anything, just continue holding the buttons till the screen will be completely turned off and start to restart. So that is how you can soft reset your Google Pixel 9a. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.